All right. Look at this. Look at this house thing. I mean, this what's this thing called? Oh yeah, it's called a square root. You guys know what the inverse of a square root is? Squared. If you square both sides, you do the inverse of the square root. Now that's dangerous. You know why that's dangerous? Because I can take two numbers and I can say this number equals this number. And so if you square this number, it would also equal the square of that number. You know, like that would be true, right? Like this would lead to this. And everybody's happy and they would agree with it. But if you have an a squared and a b squared, this does not necessarily lead to a squared or a equals b. This one is unknown. Okay? You don't know if it works. Let's put the question mark next to it. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So because of that, we got issues. We got issues a brewing. Okay? If you take the square root and you square it, it goes away. We have 3x minus 5. And on the other side, we have 16. Now let's solve it. We would add 5 to both sides to get 21. And then you have 3x equals 21. And then you get divide by 3, you get x equals 7. Now, does that work? Mm-hmm. I hope so. Okay, what you have to do, because of all this stuff up here, you know what you have to do? You have to always check your solutions, which is a little annoying, but necessary. So we're going to check it. We got to plug it in. And if it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. You see, this 7 could make the inside of the square root sign a negative. And that's a problem, because you're not allowed to have negatives inside of a square root. You cannot take the square root of a negative number. So when I multiply it out to see if it works, what do we get? We get 3 times 7 is 21 minus 5. And so we have 16. Does that equal 4?
Yes.
Yay, it works. We are happy. Okay, so we put the 7 and we're done.